The history behind the mitzvah of sitting in the sukkah during Sukkot is debated, either because the Jews, when we were in the desert for 40 years, they actually sat in booths similar to these, and again believed in God's divine intervention to protect them despite the temporary nature of the dwellings. And the other reason is because when we were in the desert, there were divine clouds of glory that protected the Jews throughout their travels. And this is to represent that same idea of, again, believing in divine intervention, believing in God's involvement in our daily living. So we step out of our permanent abodes and we go into our temporary abodes and increase our belief in God and His intervention. About 3 years ago, together with Chabad of Philadelphia, Torah Academy co-sponsored all these 3 Sukkah kits, which I think from the Sukkah project comes with the pre-arranged pieces that go in the 2x4s, and we came out here to the zoo together with the collaboration, and we put together the 3 sukkahs for the Jews that are coming to any Jews that are coming to the zoo during Kol HaMoed, which is the intermediary days. They can use it if they need to eat lunch, have a snack, and it's there available for the community.
I interned for SOSNA last semester in the spring, which is stands for South of South Neighborhood Association, and they basically, they helped make this park in the first place about a couple years ago, and a lot of what they were interested in doing is, trying to plan events that bring the community together, make people sort of take ownership of their community and the public space. And I think I was interested in thinking of ways to sort of activate this new park. As you can see, like, people are already using it for all kinds of things, and I'm sure in the future they'll imagine new ways to do it. But I thought, building a sukkah in the park would sort of help people reimagine how they can use the space. So that's sort of where my urban planning interests come in. It's not just about building stuff, it's about building community and designing public space so that communities can inject their own culture into it. Yeah, so I found these shutters yesterday in West Philly. Some guy was just trying to get rid of all the shutters on his house. I just put them on the sidewalk, trying to get them away. And I thought it would be cool if we could find some way to integrate it into the building of the sukkah. So I'm hoping that we can string them down to signify that it's a shelf, like a residence, which is kind of cool.
I was building a sukkah, you see, the 4 posts, and then I would put the walls on it. 2 of the walls would be made of cardboard, and the other wall would be trash bags. I put the scaff on top of the 2 cardboard boxes, and I'd connect it by these sticks and these poles.
Very cool. And what made you want to build your own? Your family's already got one over here, so what made you want to build your own one?
Because at school, the 4th graders, I did it last year, make small sukkahs.
Gotcha. What do you like about making a sukkah?
It's fun and it's creative.